Hello, Legend of the Samurai here with an Assa 600. This is the older style with the gin bottle spools and matched countermilling. These are pretty well-known locks, so I will just get to picking. Using a single tensioner, but it is a nice snug fit in the top of the keyway, so I have enough control for floating. And get started. There's our false set. Sometimes things act a little tapered and you have to walk them up, but now we are in the milling and I can start floating. Start back on pin 5. It's 5 set. Six. 1. 2. 4. 3. Something dropped. Might have been 6. There we go, and we are open. All right, take that tensioner out of there. You can see the sidebar groove on the side. And I will lock it back up. And now we can take it apart. So first, I need to get this C-clip off of here. And now, when in doubt, and especially when your cylinder is not easily guttable from the top, use a shim. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here's our plug, and you can see that nice gin-style countermilling. Catches very effectively on the drivers. And note the position of the 2 anti-drill holes. Those are what you want to be avoiding while gutting. So that's the plug. Now, pull the shim out. Can take out our drivers. Right. There's our housing. So they reuse these housings for all sorts of different locks. If this had a twin core in it, that sidebar would be active, but this is just a 600, so there is no sidebar. And then here are our pins. And I can show that these are totally standard key pins. But then the interesting stuff are these gin bottle drivers. So those are slightly narrower in diameter at the tip with spooling above it, and those catch and lock into that milling very, very effectively. So it is currently holding up the cylinder just by that being locked in place there. So that necessitates the float picking, and that does take some getting used to, but with practice it is something that one can become proficient in. So there we are. That is the Assa 600, picked and gutted. It's our fun locks to pick and excellent practice if you're looking to take on some of the more challenging things like twins with gin spools and milling. All right, thank you for watching and have a nice day.